Okay, so my brother's kids just called, and they want me to go along to this park in an area of a town that I haven't been to for a while. So I'm gonna go along, get some footage. It should be pretty awesome. I have some cool stories to tell. There's like a little amusement park, and there's a swimming pool there, a huge swimming pool. So we're gonna see if we can't get some cannonball action going. So, all right, guys. First, this. So it's like 3:30 a.m. My son needed a ride home from work. So I'm sitting here waiting for him. And as I look over to the side here out the window, there's a bunch of like rocks and landscaping. And I noticed that there's a little part that looks like it's moving. So let's go see what it is. Okay, so what this is an enormous beetle. I swear to God, there better not be like 1,000 of them in here that I'm standing on. I'm gonna try to get a shot of this, but I hate bugs. So if it attacks, holy crap. Okay, here we go. Alright, I'm out of here. That thing's way too damn scary.
Are you guys ready to go to the park?
Yeah.
We're going to Tuscora Park!
So Broski's over there taking the kids through Burger King, so I walked over here to grab a water at the gas station. Aquafina. And check it out, I needed to get one of these things to charge my phone in the car. $8 for this thing. I'll bet you can get these from China on eBay for about $1.29 a piece with free shipping. Cowabunga! Okay, so we made it here to New Philly. My brother and the kids are over at Tuscora Park, and he actually ran through Dairy Queen and got a blizzard, so he's munching on that before they go in. Can't breathe because I'm a fat guy walking up a hill. And so I'm heading over here to the apartment my dad used to live in, which is across the street from Tuscora. And I'm going to tell you a couple of stories. Okay, so here are the apartments that he used to live in. And you'll see right across the street is Tuscora Park. Which is really cool because we could just cross the street to go swimming or ride the carnival rides or whatever. Now this was back in like 92, 93 when I was 17. And we're gonna go to the back parking lot here because I got a cool story to tell you. Okay, so behind me are all the parking garages for this apartment complex. And like I said, I was 17. And one point, my brother, my friend, I think it was Chad or Mark, I don't remember, and my girlfriend were all over here. My dad had a Corvette, a 74. It was sweet. And one of these down here, her and I went in there, had this brilliant idea. We went in there and we were getting it on the Corvette. Yes, on the hood of the Corvette. And then I'm like, wait a minute. I stopped right in the middle and I'm like, I know my brother and Chad or Mark or whoever it was, I don't remember which one. I climbed up, and sure enough, they were climbing across the rafters up in the top, trying to catch us. They didn't catch us, of course, but kind of ruined my day. It's really strange to walk through this little place here, because I haven't been here for like, what, 23 years? 24 years, something like that. So it's really strange to walk along this path again to this apartment. One more story from my days up here, because this is just one of the most memorable ones. And I wasn't always a good kid, you know. I was a teenager. I was a hothead. And at one point, that same girlfriend, I went to school in Massillon, and she went to school up here in Bolivar, actually. And she was like flirting with some boy at school and coming home and telling me about it. Obviously, I didn't like it. And she told me what his name was, and I'm not going to say it, but I remember it still. Sorry that I'm shaking here. I'm out of breath. But, okay, so standing right here on the corner, like I said, we're right across from the park. You can see everything down there. And you can see the basketball courts there in the distance. Well, she had told me that he comes down here to play basketball. So I'm like, all right. Like I said, I was a hothead. I was mad. I was jealous. So I took my gun and I headed down here to the courts. And this is one of the things that could have ended my life and had me in prison to this day, and you wouldn't be watching these videos. And I wouldn't be enjoying life and loving it how I do today. But I came down here to the basketball courts, and I was watching for him. I didn't know what he looked like. I didn't know who he was. All I knew was that he was a big guy, and he was really tall. So, as a stupid teenager, thinking I was some kind of a gangsta, if I saw a big, tall guy, God only knows what would have happened, you know? I was stupid. And I don't even like to admit that I did that. But I didn't see anybody that met the description. I turned around and went back home. God was with me that day. So with the stupid stories behind us, let's skate back down to the park, go see what the kids are doing, and be glad that I didn't get myself put in prison for the rest of my life or killed. And I can enjoy this beautiful day and this wonderful life with my brother and the awesome kids. We're gonna go swimming, and I'm way too fat to get on the rides, but we're gonna get some footage. Peace. I wish that the next time I wear this backpack, there's not so much fat for it to accentuate. Alrighty, thank you. Man, coming out to the pool today was the best idea ever. Just busted out some cannonballs off the high dive, almost killed myself. Yo, this one's going out to Marky C. Yo, 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 yo. Just got a phone call. Something cool happening.
The little is here!
This little bug is whooped after swimming, but we're gonna go check out the carnival for a little bit. Man, I am bushed. It is time to get out of here and go get some work done. Peace.